Be water, my friend.
So you all know I'm treating myself for acne. I have medication on right now, and that's why I'm super shiny. So let's ignore my shiny face and get on with the show. These are my favorite sandals of last summer, summer 2018. They are Zamora by the brand Teva. They were $150. I bought them at Urban Outfitters because I wanted them right away, and I didn't want to have to wait for them, to order them online. I went down to Urban and I tried them on, and I fell in love. They have a really great, comfortable foam footbed, and they also really great at absorbing shock. So I don't know if you all remember, but I have an injury on my left foot, and I need to really control my steps. I need to walk slowly. I need to make sure that I'm not slamming my foot on the ground, which is how I normally walk. I can hear my footsteps. That's how loud I walk. That's how hard I hit the ground with my foot. So through PT and through physical therapy and going to the going to my doctor often, I've learned to calm that down. I've learned to control that. But these types of shoes, they really do help support that goal. The goal of making sure that I do not injure my feet any further. Anyhow, so they don't bend also. You see that really strong platform or flat form. That's something else that I really needed, because if I bend my foot and I bend my toes, it hurts really badly. So my doctor recommended shoes like this, which is just so great and so funny, because all of the shoes coming out now and last summer were pretty much orthopedic shoes, and it worked out so well for me. It's almost like I summoned the trend with my needs. Anyhow, when I bought these last summer, I didn't really want this style. These were very comfortable, and so there was no way I was going to leave the store without them. But I wanted them to be all black. So it's so funny that I've scuffed them up really badly from wearing them every single day last summer. They're pretty dingy, pretty yellow, and definitely scuffed up. Now I get the opportunity to turn them into an all-black pair of shoes, to breathe new life into them, and to make them the way that I originally wanted them. Teva didn't come out with an all-black pair, so I was pretty stuck with these. But I'm happy it worked out that way, because I felt like I wore them in one way last summer, and now this summer I get to wear them a whole new way. All black, really cool, really easy and low-key. So I went up to Blick on 125th here in Harlem, and I bought Angelus black matte leather paint. I bought a small bottle for $3. I bought a small bottle of the Angelus prepping solution, and I'm going to paint them all black now. So what we're going to do first is wipe the entire shoe down with a baby wipe to make sure we get all the dirt out. There's no point in putting lipstick on a dirty face. So we're gonna make sure we get the entire shoes, both pairs, really clean and rid of dirt. And then what we're gonna do is wipe the white area with the prepping solution really well, so that we can make sure that we get the surface ready to take the paint and to really hold on to the paint and adhere to the paint. Then we're going to use the black matte itself as a primer, a really thin coat to start with. And then after that, we're going to apply 2 or 3 more coats of the black matte, just to make sure that we're fully covered and that we have a really beautiful, dark, intense black look. Then after that, what we're going to do is open up the Velcro and clean up all the fabric that has gotten stuck within the Velcro throughout the summer. If there are any little stray pieces of thread, you could just take a scissor and cut them really quickly. They shouldn't do too much damage to the shoe. I just want to give them a really clean, pristine look. Just like that, we have a brand new pair of custom-made, brand new looking, all black Teva Zamoras for spring and summer 2019. They came out so nice and sharp. Don't they look so professionally made? I actually got my shoes painted a long time ago, and I was charged $25, and I remember thinking that it was so inexpensive, but now I see it was a major profit and that I was completely jerked. I could have gone down the block, got a $3 paint, and did it myself. Anyhow, I want to give you a warning. It's just so cute. I can't stop staring at them. They look so great. These are matte black, by the way. They're probably shining so hard because of the light directly in front of me. I want to give you a warning about the products that I used. I just read in the for the leather preparer, I read a warning in the back that said cancer and reproductive harm. So make sure you wear gloves when you use this product. Also, this preparer, this leather preparer, it smelled and behaved like acetone. So when I applied a little bit to a cotton pad and then I started to wipe over the white area to prepare it for the painting, it peeled the white paint right off. Like crumbles were coming out of it. And it also leaked the white paint, melted the white paint. The white paint then leaked onto the sole, the black sole area here. And I had to act quickly, dip a Q-tip into the leather preparer, and then start rubbing on the area where the white was leaking so that I can remove it right away. And then after that, I went over that area with black paint. So it worked out okay, but if it's not as simple as all black, then it could cause damage to your footwear. So really prepare yourself before taking on a custom job with a more vibrant shoe with more colors. It was very easy for me to handle this issue because it's all black, but you might find some trouble if you're doing more colors. I had researched this. I researched YouTube. I saw a few videos of how to use this. It was simple enough. I never saw or never learned of a warning against the strength of the leather preparer. I don't know if it's 100% necessary, honestly, but yeah, I used it because I wanted to make sure that I didn't ruin my sandals, that I was really going to have a whole new pair of sandals rather than, you know, destroying them and having to donate them. Anyhow, yes, so be careful when it comes to the leather preparer. It's pretty strong. Make sure you wear gloves. And yeah, give it a try and let me know if you decide on refreshing your kicks or your sandals. I would love to learn of your little creations if you've done any. This is a first time for me, but I'm excited. I can already see myself thinking of more ideas and how I can continue customizing pieces like this. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it easy to follow. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you soon in my next video.
Into your